Yeah, I don't know if you remember BSAs in the 60s and that. All that mods and rockers stuff, do you remember? All those mods going around on their scooters. Well, look at this. It's not from that period. It's about 2015, something like that, I don't know. But it is two-stroke. Yeah, it's one of the last ones. And this is brand new. And I'll tell you something else at the end, remind me. Yeah, so this is brand new. It's got all the accessories on. Yeah, so 125 two-stroke. Just look at it. Look at the bling. Yeah. It's got bumpers on the front. All that cantilever suspension business going on. Marvellous little thing. And on this side, yeah, chrome bumpers on the side there. Spare wheel. You don't get that in a car. No. Incredible. Gears on here. Yeah, look. Neutral, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 speed. Pull the clutch in. Pull the clutch in. Twist. Yeah. Look at that dial. It's not even round. It's sort of shaped like a loaf of bread. That's marvellous, isn't it? Top box it's got. Look at that. Vespa. Yeah. I'd love to have a ride on one of these, but again, it's quite difficult to get a ride on them. This side, the engine, all the engines on this side, little two-stroke engine in there, marvellous. Down here, fuel on, fuel off, choke, yeah, oil indicator, look, back brake presumably. Is that the back brake? I reckon it is. And a little compartment here, look. Oh, look at that, and it's metal. It's all metal. Look at that, and there's the battery. No fluid in it or anything, and the books. Brand spanking new, unregistered. Look at that. And I reckon they sell somewhere between £5,000 and £10,000. Yeah, because they're the last of the two-strokes. You can go and get a new little one, 4-stroke. But, yeah, marvellous little thing. And the seat lifts up. What's under that? Let's have a look. Oh, like that. What you got? Oh, nice big seat. And oil in there and petrol in there. Yeah, marvellous. Look at that, that's just wonderful, isn't it? What a marvellous little commuter. Yeah, what do you make of it? And like I say, brand new. It's even got the barcode still on. Not registered, but they've got 2 more. Look at this, and I saw you looking at that on the way out. Don't. Look at that, 150, and another 150 in black. Yeah, again, brand new, 2 strokes, unregistered. So if you're in the market for a 2-stroke scooter, you're going to have to pay through the nose for it, I reckon. Yeah. This hasn't got the screen, it's got the Mickey Mouse mirrors though. That's splendiferous, isn't it? Marvellous. So there we go. Yeah, I still haven't ridden one, but a Vespa appearing on the channel. Yeah, and not just at a bike meet. Yeah, this is the 125. I think it looks pretty neat. Yeah, marvellous.